Most people have never heard about crop circles. And for the ones who have, they know little about them and don't pay much attention to them. However, I promise you that you will have a different perspective after watching this video. Did you know when Hoven's crop circles first got media coverage in 1999, after a witness saw a light flying over a field, and then found crop circles right after, when the circle was still hot? In 1999, there were 287 crop circles worldwide, while Hoven had 4. But as crop circles seemed to be disappearing from the rest of the world, Hoven's crop circles grew in both numbers and complexity. In 2014, 20% of the world's crop circles appeared in Hoven, Netherlands. I covered the 2015 Hoven crop circles in Latest Nibiru on August 4th, 2015. Now, I will show you how I interpret the 2014 Hoven crop circles. In case you missed my video, Real and Original 2016 First Crop Circle, Hoven, Netherlands is the only area I found to have crop circles in agricultural fields, snow, and sands. Many of the circles had crop samples tested to confirm they're genuine. One major complaint or criticism on these circles is their simplicity. Too simple to decode and too simple for supreme beings to draw. Well, maybe they decided to let people without knowledge of secret geometry and having a PhD level of mathematics to have a chance to decode, right? A lot of the Hoven crop circles show 3 dots, just like the one which appeared on January the 29th, 2014. I call this the signature print because I thought it might be a hint as to where the circle creator is from. Remember my decoding of circles before 9/11? And the famous August 21st, 2001 circle, the circle creator pointed to the 4th, 5th, and 6th planets of the solar system to be their home. Of course, it can also be a warning of the 3 dots coming our way. Many Nibiru theorists said Nemesis, Sun's twin dwarf, and its 3 planets are coming our way. Could this be the one? When I saw the March 17th, 2014 crop circle, my first instinct is that the outer circle resembles the Earth, while the center shows a target. The conflicts around the globe are the dots. You see, there are bigger conflicts and smaller ones. But it goes round and round and never stops. Believe it or not, I found 286 terror attacks in the 14 months after the March 17th circle appeared. And the chaos seems to have no end. Now, take a look at the April 5th crop circle. I believe the lower part represents a specific planetary alignment in our solar system. There is a sun symbol, and a dot with a circle is Saturn, while the square with dots represents the asteroid belt. Now look at the planetary map on June 6th, 2016. Does it look like the crop circle alignment? The 3 dots can mean possibly an approaching mini solar system or UFO fleet. But it can also mean the 3 other planets not in this alignment, which is Neptune, Venus, and Jupiter. June 6th, 2016 is the dangerous period in June 2016, as I pointed out based on the April 28th, 2015 Hoven crop circle. Now, look at the right side of the April 8th crop circle. Does it look like the 3 dots circles on January the 29th, 2014 circle? How about the left side? The circle with the center dot is a symbol of our sun, and the 8 dots obviously represented the 8 planets. Does it look to you like the 2 systems are on a collision course? If you agree with my theory, the 3 dot circles that appeared again and again is the circle creator's signature print, telling us where they are from. Then the April 19th message is loud and clear, just like the April 8th one that should be the intruder system heading toward us with a head-on collision. This one gave us the date, June 2016, and as we decoded more than once in several crop circles. And the 3 intruders are heading towards our solar system. You can interpret the May 8th one as either our sun or some target. Neither or both. What do you think? I have 2 different possible decodings for the May 20th, 2014 crop. Again, I will try to explain this with the planetary alignment. Assuming the 4 dots are planets and it seems the top and bottom are roughly the same size, and the right is slightly bigger than the left, but not by much. Can I find such an alignment? Well, look at this June 16th, 2016 alignment. On that day, Earth and Venus is on the opposite side of the Sun, while Jupiter is opposite to Neptune. And what is most interesting is that Saturn and Uranus is also on the opposite side of the Sun. But you may say, since we do not have the Sun in the center of this crop circle must not mean the Sun. Okay, then my best guess for the center will be our Earth. And on that day, Earth is in the center of Mars and Mercury, the minis of our solar system, while also in the center between Jupiter and Neptune, the gas giants. And it forms a cross, just like the circle. Again, you may argue that the 4 planets look similar in size. Then you must also have noticed that the Earth is the center of Uranus and Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune, the 4 gas giants. And what date is this alignment? June 16th, 2016. Within the dangerous period I pointed out earlier in my prior decoding. Look at the June 4th, 2014 crop circle. Assuming the top dot means the Earth, since it has a circle around which resembles our moon's orbit. My interpretation is that at the time of the circle's appearance, the intruder system is 4 planets away, basically outside Uranus. You may question the circle creator's knowledge of our solar system, because we all know how much bigger Jupiter is than Mars. But think this way. The size of the dots resemble the distance from Earth, so the bigger one means closer. Does that all make sense now? But please note, this circle may not mean the distance of it in June 2014, but telling us the intruder system is coming from the direction near Uranus. But maybe I should not call them the intruder system, but I should call them our friends from far away. If they meant to destroy us, why did they bother to send us crop circles, right? This crop appeared near Oude-Gastel on June 13th, 2014, showing a big circle and 3 smaller dots. I assume the 3 dots is to show us where the circle creator is from. It is a similar message as the other ones which appeared in 2014. But this one also shows a clever contra-rotating lay of wheat within its largest flattened circle. It is another strange formation we did not see before. Why is the circle contra-rotating? Could it be the warning of a pole shift really be coming? The June 26, 2014 crop circle showed the same warning as the April 19, 2014 one. Maybe the circle creator heard our complaints about the kindergarten kid-like drawings, so they sent us drawings made by more like 10th graders. Either way, it seems to be warning us something is coming our way, and it can happen anytime. Can you imagine turning a crop circle to multicolors? Let me show you this picture. The wheat field shows an elaborate combing of wheat with red-brown and blue-green. The July 9th circle is actually the most encouraging one so far. It is our Earth with the sign of infinity. Well, this means whatever comes our way, the Earth will last through to eternity. But I guess the Earth will survive. But will humans survive? That is yet to be decoded. The first July 16th, 2014 circle can be interpreted both ways. We can say it represents the Earth back to its simple and pure form, or a new world order, like one nation. Or we can say it is the cell when life starts. Rebirth, maybe. What do you think? Did you know a paranormal event happened on July 19th, 2014 to this circle in Mays Field? The plants returned to fully standing form by themselves after 3 days. That means the crop circle disappeared completely. This has never happened before and can't really be explained. The July 25th circle also gives us a pretty clear message. The 3 layered circles is our solar system, and the dotted line going through means the intruder system will pass through. And what is the intruder system? The 3 dots revealed to us in many of these crop circles. My interpretation of the September 3rd circle may lead some people to say I'm playing the fear card. I don't know what it looks like to you, but it looks like a hole in our system after the passing of the intruders. Could this be our ozone layer? Or maybe this is a headshot of our visiting friend. What do you think? My interpretation of the September 11th crop circle is as follows. The far right one is our sun and solar system. The dots show the path the intruder system is marching on as it reaches our solar system. Let me show you this picture included in my first YouTube video on Nibiru. If you are not too picky about my graphics and the circle creator's drawing, can you see the similarity between mine and this October 3rd circle? On this November 6th crop circle, please note it looks like our solar system with its 8 planets, but with an extra sun heading towards our sun. Is this Nemesis? Or is it the missing 9th planet X? And when will the passing be over? I believe it is revealed in this November 21st crop circle. On October 13th, 2014, Mercury, Earth, Uranus were lined up on the right side of this map, while Venus, Mars, and Neptune lined on the left side of the map. With Jupiter on the opposite side of Uranus, the direction where the intruder system is supposed to come from. In my prior video about the June 5th, 2015 circle, I interpreted the time of passing to be 5 months, while in my Doomsday 2016, I pointed out the dangerous time from May 27th, 2016 to June 17th, 2016. Well, if we add 5 months as indicated in the June 5th, 2015 crop circle, then it will be October 2016, just as shown in this planetary alignment. Hopefully, it is a harmless Passover. Although this concludes the unusual 2014 Hoven crop circle season, since aliens are not likely to work off of our calendar year, I will show you quickly the first 2015 Hoven crop circles. On April the 28th, 2015, I found the dangerous period of May 24th, 2016 to June 17th, 2016, but plotting the lunar eclipses, planetary alignments, supermoon, micromoon, basically all I can do to win your votes over. Well, do you believe me now? I know controversy starts the minute you start talking about aliens, Doomsday, Nibiru, and even crop circles. Don't worry too much. Even though something may come, we likely will survive, right? And if we can't, there's nothing you can do about it anyway. I know there is no way I can change the non-believers, and I don't plan to. But did you know Sherry, our producer, is a non-believer too? Because she doesn't take what she reads at 100% face value. So she does her own search and decoding, which has led to the production of these videos. And do you agree that many recent findings reverse what we learned in school? So before you think Nemesis and Nibiru is total BS, search Wikipedia on Nemesis, and you will find the dwarf planet Sedna is on a highly elliptical orbit ranging from 76 and 975 AU. Sedna is the living proof that anything is possible. So what is my conclusion? I am sure something major is coming our way. Nibiru? Asteroids? Floods? Earthquakes? Or even a president from hell? We will know soon enough. But if you ask me, how sure I am on the June 2016 date, I can only say that is my best guess from all the signs, the crop circles, and my intuitions. I actually will be the happiest person on earth if I am wrong. This is Ken Peters at mysterydecoders.com. Thanks for watching.